Okay, I'm doing a video of Pontyates Youth Club back in 1967 to 68. Now, I'm doing this video because there's a mistake up in Pontyates Rugby Club. There's a list of captains up on the wall on a board over the years. And the mistake is that from 1967 to 68, Big X, Rees, is down as captain. But there was no rugby side in Pontyates then, other than this one. Now, I'm in the front there, okay? And there's my brother Colin. And there's Bryn Jones Chemist, the one who made everything possible to have this rugby side. Colin and myself went to ask him if we could get a rugby side in Pontyates, because there was no rugby side in Pontyates 1967-68. And Bryn Jones there said, find the players and I will do the rest. And Colin and I did find the players. But we started off at first 13 boys from Trimsaran and nobody from Pontyates. Now you can see a few of the boys here. Ellis Bach, for example, Bynon, Nigel, and the one there, he worked with me in Clive, and I don't know if he's still alive or not, because our age now, a lot of the boys have gone. Anyway, we started off all Trimsaran. Darrell Sadler isn't here, Adrian Pritchard, Alan Bricks, they were in the first side that we started off, because it was only me and Colin. We then finally had some players from Pontyates, like Richard Evans here came along. Now I was 18 at the time, by the way. Colin was 15. And Richard Evans was 15, came along, and Clifford Evans came along, and Nigel Bynon. Well, Nigel Bynon was from Balendry. And we made up the side. And I was the one who organised everything, and I was the captain. So, really speaking, I should be on that board in Pontyates as the captain of Pontyates from 1967 to 68. But my brother Kevin says no, that youth doesn't count. And I told him, well, the fact they've got Bynon, Rees down, Big X, it's wrong, because we were the only side back then. Although there was a side in Youth Club as well. They made up a side in the Pontyates Youth Club, but we were the Pontyates Youth. And myself and Colin, we used to play for the Youth Club 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning, and then play for Pontyates 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And we had a funny moment when John Bell here, he was 20 by the way, but he managed to get in the side, but one day he was sub. And he came on the field to play, and we were 16 players on the field for about 20 minutes. And he wasn't supposed to be on the field. Anyway, I'm doing this video now to correct the fact that I was the captain that time and not Bynon Rees. And hopefully people in Pontyates, and I'm going to show this to people in Trimsaran, will see this video, because it's one of my claim to fame that I captained Pontyates Rugby back then.